print-on-demand fulfillment and how it works? Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start a business with Printway. Printway is a print-on-demand fulfillment service that allows you to start your business without having any inventory. To get started, you first sign up for a free Printway account. Enter your information, add your store name, your payment details so you can place orders easily, and boom, you are ready to go. Once signed in, all you need to do now is just choosing a suitable product for your brand in our 500+ different SKUs product library. You can upload your own designs, logos, images and text to create a variety of custom printed products. You can choose any product that you like. There are no monthly fees or minimum order quantities, so you have full flexibility to use Printway system for your fulfillment. Besides offering many custom options for sellers to choose, Printway also offer the unique option which is custom shape. This option is available for all Printway customers. Printway also have all the listing descriptions which are available for you to use inside the app. Now, you can publish your products to make them available for customers to purchase. When an order is placed, Printway handles the entire printing, shipping and returns process. You only have to provide the designs and customers' addresses. You focus on your brand and customers while Printway is doing the rest. If you're looking to offer personalized and unique products to your customers at any volume, then Printway will be the best solution. Sign up for a free account and grow your business with us. Printway, print everything your way.